was standing by my window on a cold and cloudy day.
My name is Rickey Wasson, and I'm born and raised in eastern Kentucky. I run a music store here in Clay City. It's called Rick's Music and Electronic. And then we have Meadowgreen Park, where people come here and watch shows and have a good time. I was probably 12 years old when I come to the first festival here. Bluegrass was just a part of what I was at the time. I grew up listening to it. I didn't know there was any other style of music. This property belonged to Forrest and Betty Meadows for many years, and Forrest's passion was bluegrass music. Forrest and his whole family, the whole people that run this back years ago, took me in. My father passed away when I was 15, and they became my family. Forrest got with some other local people that's bluegrass lovers, and they started to build this building. They worked hard to get it to the point that the bands would want to come. When they first started this place, they didn't have any seating. They just had platforms you could sit on. We can seat 300 people. We would do about 30 shows from October to April. It just became a known thing that if you want to see bluegrass music, you go there on Saturday night. It's a pretty exciting night when we got a full house, and we have quite a few full houses. I've run the sound here for going on 30 years or so. The owner, he didn't know a whole lot about sound. He loved bluegrass music more than anything, and of course I was really interested in it as a kid. I said, I think I can do that, and he said, well, get at it. I was learning how to run sound and do sound for the best of the genre of music that we have, and they were patient with me as a kid. When Forrest started getting sick, he wasn't able to come to the shows here. You know, everybody was really worried that the place wouldn't survive. I was sitting to the side watching this happen, and I'm thinking, surely someone has got to do this because it's been too important for our community. So we've got a good nonprofit that helps run this place. I'm sure that he would be happy that it's continuing to go, and that's our goal, is to keep his dream alive. When I get out here and start working on this place, I'm doing it for Forrest and his family because, you know, he can't do it, and I feel it's my job now.
When I saw that hearse come rolling for to carry my mother away.
I really feel lucky to be from Kentucky and have the heritage and have been able to be around the people I've been around. Anytime you can broaden your family and have people around you that love you, then you've got a good environment. And bluegrass music is the greatest outlet I've found for that. When I think back the fun that I've had getting to come here, everybody deserves that opportunity. And if I can be a small part of that and to continue to help bluegrass stay in this area and keep the bands coming, that's what I want to do. Bluegrass is just a part of me.